Erkin has like almost 10,000 questions. 2 minutes is not enough, so I think we need to cancel this vlog right now and just take some pictures.
नो 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 नो
What?
पिक्चर का नाम नहीं लेने का बाबा 500 पिक्चर क्लिक करवाए इसने में से 500 सुख वाकिफ में बहुत गरीब
500 से मेरा क्या होगा? मुझे
Okay, I'll be exact. It's 159. 159. And Shili, you're not giving me the final count. Which
But
one do I
you
take?
volunteered to take my pictures, okay? You were like here, there, one shot, last
पैसा निकाल
shot, second.
पैसा निकाल पैसा निकाल
तू पैसा
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 मांगो।
करता है, तू पैसे पे क्यों मरता है?
So guys, we have someone special with us. I don't think so this person needs an introduction, but she's already won Miss Universe. I think that became too much. Let's just see her. Tracy Fernandez.
Universe, I miss world. Get your facts
Can
right.
you please spell world?
WORLD world.
अरे वाह.
I used to get 10 out of 10 in dictation, okay?
4 months after which Tracy is out. Look at her taking a bag and everything. Boria Bistara. I don't know where is she going, but she's taking me also. Okay, so I have some questions for Tracy. Tracy, are you ready?
Of course.
Chill, it's not a rapid fire. You can take your own time.
I'm always ready. Just ask and you will receive.
Dude, seek and find. Nothing. So we just went into scripture. Sorry for that. Okay, so funniest experience in Qatar Airways.
Crew from other nationality, they always make fun of Indians because they cannot say water. They say water. Okay.
Water.
So we were saying bye to all the customers, and then this customer comes and he says, "Can I get water?" So it was actually a water scene there.
कितना बोलती है यार इसको तू एक काम कर मेरा ब्लॉग तू ही चला ले
Why not? I can take over your vlog, but then I don't want your business to go, you know. I want you to get those million likes and subscribers and whatever, you know.
मतलब धंधा बंद नहीं करेगी
But just wait, okay? You never know. If I don't find anything, you know what I'm doing next?
competition. Okay. Okay, so what are you going to miss the most after leaving Qatar Airways?
Firstly, every 28th, I'm going to miss my salary message. Okay, and after that, I'm also going to miss staying in these 5-star hotels and visiting places. And flying also, I will miss a bit.
हम जैसे गरीबों को तो 2 स्टार भी नहीं मिलता है 1 स्टार भी नहीं मिलता है छोड़ो क्या बोले So Tracy, your next question. One person who inspired you the most in Qatar.
I know, Ken, you want to hear your name. That's why you put this question. It's so obvious.
Really? अबे 7 साल में एक ही साल मिला 7 साल में
Yeah, but no one has really inspired me. But I really look up to you because you're very positive. You never give up and you keep trying, and that's what I like about you. No matter what comes your way, but you've never given up, and I think that is one thing I learned, and I've been inspired.
So it's almost so exhausting, but Tracy is not giving up. You can see she's still shooting. She still wants a lot of shots like this.
I am done, guys. We are going. Bye. Let's wrap it.
It's a lie. It's a lie. I'm kidding. It's a lie. Would you go to eat a shawarma at Jabal or free kunafa? If there was an option.
I would go to eat shawarma at Jabal. I'm so loyal to them. I love their shawarma and I'm gonna miss it the most.
When did you feel something like you achieved something in your life and like that's the moment where you achieved something?
I felt that when I joined QR and I could buy my own house, because that is always what I've wanted in life. Like I wanted to leave with something of my own, and I managed to buy by God's grace and the job my own house, and I'm very proud about it.
Superb, superb. If you could teleport to any place, like a place where you would love to go, which place would it be?
I think it would be Bali. It's my favorite place. I love the food, I love the people there, and I love everything about that place. I could live there forever.
Okay. Okay, one person's name if you were given 15 minutes to be in their fame, like Shah Rukh or whatever, any actress or actor.
I don't think so. I want to be in anyone's place. I am good wherever
मेरे
I
जगह ले ना,
am.
मेरे जगह ले.
Please. मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
Oh, poo. Okay.
हाँ, मेरा गुरु.
Okay, a thing that you pick up in your wallet always.
Honestly, I have like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 wallets, but I never use them. I just take the money and throw it in my bag.
This is the truth. I always hear throwing money here and there. It's always like एक रियाल किधर ना किधर तो मिलेगा ही एक रियाल. वो तो सही है.
एक ही रियाल मिलता है, 100 कभी नहीं मिलता.
वो भी मैं रिटर्न करता हूँ इज्जत से.
हाँ, तो बड़ा संत है.
Okay. See, where are you standing?
I was forced to stand on this stand.
Okay, the best compliment you ever received by someone maybe in QR in the past 7 years.
Everyone says I'm kind. I don't know if I'm kind, but yeah, I think that's the best. And also, you know, they talk about my back. Everyone in QR says that I have the cutest ass. I cannot show it.
Can I just cut this, please?
Why would you cut it? Are you jealous of my?
क्या सामान काय आहे रे बाबा किती सामान अच्छा माझे गाली देते मला बघ गाली देते अच्छा
There are a lot of things which were hilarious, but right now, because of my short-term memory, I cannot get anything in my head quickly.
Gajni.
It's not Gajni. I have just memory problems. So, okay. So during boarding, at the door, we always ask the customers for their boarding pass. Okay. So there was this customer, and I asked him, like, sir, can I see your boarding pass? And he thought that I was shaking. I wanted to shake my hand with him, and so he did this to me, and I was like, coronavirus, no shaking hands.
Copyright.
That's the card which Erkin made for me. I have not yet checked it out, but I'm sure it's going to be amazing.
It is.
And God bless you, Erkin. And thank you so much. I'm very grateful to have known you for a good 2 years here. And it's not a goodbye because I'm definitely going to meet you again.
Yes, definitely.